Welcome to our channel, where we make setting up streaming apps on your smart TV effortless. Welcome to our channel, where we make setting up streaming apps on your smart TV effortless. Today, we will walk you through the process of installing and activating Discovery Plus on your smart TV, so you can start enjoying your favorite shows right from your living room. First, make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial to ensure smooth streaming and quick downloads. Next, navigate to your TV's App Store. Depending on your TV brand, this could be the Google Play Store, Samsung Smart Hub, LG Content Store, or another app marketplace. Once you are in the App Store, use the search function to find the Discovery Plus app. Simply type Discovery Plus using your remote's on-screen keyboard and select the app from the search results. Now, click on the Install button to download the app to your TV. This step might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the app has finished installing, open Discovery Plus from your apps menu. You will be greeted with a welcome screen asking you to sign in or create a new account. If you already have a Discovery Plus account, enter your login credentials, email, and password. If not, feel free to sign up directly on the TV or use your phone or computer to create an account and then return to the TV. Once logged in, you will need to activate your device. This usually involves visiting a website on another device, such as a smartphone or PC, by going to discoveryplus.com/tvsignin. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen and follow the prompts to link your smart TV to your Discovery Plus subscription. If the activation process completes successfully, your TV will refresh and you'll have immediate access to all Discovery Plus content. Browse through shows and documentaries curated for every interest, and enjoy streaming on the big screen. If you encounter any issues during installation or activation, double-check your internet connection and ensure your smart TV software is up to date. Restarting the TV and reinstalling the app can resolve common problems. Enjoy exploring the vast library of Discovery Plus on your smart TV with just these simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful streaming guides to make your entertainment experience seamless and fun.